But it feels not like hard.
Mm-mm.
Welcome to Learning League.
We are making words so that we
This
can
is
draw them
a
on the
big piece
sand.
of paper.
Yep.
It covered the whole screen.
All right, we're gonna write.
So I'm gonna tell them what we're doing.
Okay.
We're doing right in the sand. Just we're gonna pour the things on the sand and then draw them.
Mm-hmm.
Like we're gonna draw in the sand, like draw.
Kind of. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it.
What
So the next one is her. H.
her H.
Good job.
Look,
Mhm.
it's starting. Look,
Good job. And then E.
E. What is
Perfect job. And then R.
not here? It's
Mhm.
right there.
It's okay.
Hey. Ah.
Can you write an R?
Mommy's phone is broken.
It's okay. An R.
Or R like this. Her.
That's her.
Her. Like
Okay.
me. Her.
Next one. We're gonna write no.
Look.
How do you write no?
I don't know.
In.
In. Okay. And what is in?
In is like one hump.
In hump. Okay. And hump like this.
Yep. And then O.
Oh. No. No.
Yep.
No.
Okay.
When I say no to you, say don't. Say no. Don't say no to our parents.
Right. Okay, the next one is my. M.
Look, it covered the whole screen.
Mhm. Next is M.
M, what is M?
It's two humps.
Mm,
Perfect. And then Y.
Look.
Mhm.
Y is like this.
Yep.
Y. Look,
My.
mine.
All right.
My
And the next one
cutie.
is kind of a hard
Like,
one.
my cutie.
Yep. The next one's kind of a hard one. With. W.
It's 3 pumps.
Well, here. Oh. It's two this way. So let's try it on the back. And let's do 1 and then 2.
1 and 2.
It's got to go this way though. Let me try up here. Where you go. Boop, boop. Just try it. It's okay.
I do it all.
It's all right. Keep going. Nope, other way. Want me to show you? Want me to show you? It's like this. Just like this.
On a W.
W. Alright, good. Perfect job. Now
Why
put
is-
an I.
Why is it 2
It's okay.
W's?
It's okay.
What is that?
Do an I. I. And then T.
T. Like
T.
I know.
Okay.
It itches right.
Mm-hmm.
So this is my arm. It doesn't hurt though. What is that?
T. Good job. And then H.
H? What is H?
Okay, you got to remember though that it goes W-I-T-H.
W.
All right, so mommy's gonna go get the sand and we'll do some writing in sand. Are you ready? Are you excited?
Writing like right.
We're gonna write with our fingertip. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do it. Excited? All right, we'll be right back.
The red sand, like when you do this,
All right, we'll see you guys in a minute. You spelled and did the word at. A-T, at. Do you know what sentence that would be? My mom is at the store. At.
At the store.
All right, the next one is the. The.
The.
T. The.
The.
The. Okay, can you draw a T first?
There's lots of room.
You did perfect. T.
Can we do it with the foot?
Sure, if you want to. T is first. Wonderful job. And then H. Good job. And then E.
And E up top.
You did the word the. Do you know what the would be in a sentence?
My mommy is at the dog.
No, it would be like, my favorite book is The Little Lamb. Okay, perfect. Your next one is
maybe
A.
I can, coloring. The sense of would do that.
This one's a really easy one.
It's not a hard one.
Not yet.
Like that one is hard.
That one is a hard one. What's this word?
I'm trying to spread it out. A.
A. Can you draw the word A?
And
A is also what? A letter. And what is that letter in? Your name. It's the last letter of Sophia.
like Sophia.
Perfect. All right, draw me the word A. Good job. Okay. Your next one is this one.
That is
I know, we're going to do that next. This one. Can you do the letter M?
my mommy.
Yeah, that's a good sentence. My mommy is awesome.
My mommy is awesome.
My.
Mine.
All right, so show me the word my in the sand. Good job. My mommy is awesome. You know that you can also just shake this and it'll erase. Good job. Okay,
Look, there's a little spot on this.
your next word is her.
Her mommy?
Her bow is beautiful. Her.
bow. I'm gonna show my bow in a minute.
Okay.
This is TikTok, and then when I get done, say ding like that.
Oh, like a clock?
Yeah.
Tick, 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 tick.
Done.
Ding! You're done. And you spelt her. Next time, can you start further over here so you can fit everything in? All right. Erase it. Your next word is no. How do you spell no? Wonderful job, Sophia.
I have to erase it because no one wants to say no.
Okay. That's a wonderful job. And your last one is his. Oh yeah, you have another one over there too. So his.
You TikTok like a clock.
Okay. Tick, 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 tick. Done!
It looks like a 5.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a 5, but you did perfect. You did the word his. His ride is here. His. All right. This one's a hard one, and remember, you got to do W-I-T-H.
Don't do that.
Right.
Okay.
And start over here so you have enough room. W. Oh. Look at what the word is.
I have to turn it around.
You can do that. That's problem solving.
That's problem solving.
That's pretty close. We'll work on our W's.
We're gonna turn it around.
Perfect. Okay.
That's solving.
That's a W. That's problem solving. All right. Now I. A little closer to your W.
You have to raise that.
I. T. And then H. Yeah, that one, just ignore that one. That was a mess up. We do H now. Yay! You did it!
Now I can play in the sun.
Yes, you can play in the sand for a little bit. All right, thank you guys for joining us.
What?
Yeah, for our word activity. Can you say bye?
Look, I'm covering up my hand.
Bye, friends. We'll see you next time.
Bye. Join our clap. Clap, clap, shake, shake.